What's up guys, welcome back to Gadget Pro. So in today's video we're going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy S10 rumors. It's kinda hard to believe that just weeks after Samsung released its Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, we've already talking about the Galaxy S10. In truth, the Galaxy S10 and presumably the Galaxy S10 Plus promise to be the most important Samsung releases in years. The handset will go up against 3 new iPhones from Apple that are expected to debut this fall, and the new Galaxies could be the first from Samsung to offer 3D face scanner. Of course, things very well could change dramatically in the coming months. Regardless, here's what we heard about the Galaxy S10 so far. A 3D face scanner. Samsung has been criticized for not having a 3D face scanner to compete with the Face ID in Apple's iPhone X. But a report from the investor says that Samsung has partnered with 3D camera firm Mantis Vision to finally get a 3D scanner into the Galaxy S10. Not much is known about the feature yet, but it's believed that the Mantis Vision technology will be able to compete on the same level as the Face ID feature on the iPhone X. The Bell, another Korean publication, also contends that the S10 could include a 3D face sensing module. That report says Samsung has codenamed next year's Galaxy phone Beyond, as in a phone with features beyond those that you can get today. True bezel-free design and in-screen fingerprint reader. Samsung is clearly a believer in a bezel-less design and will likely remain so in 2019. In fact, according to a report in the Indian Express, the World Intellectual Property Organization recently published a Samsung patent filing that describes a new smartphone design featuring a completely bezel-less design. Better yet, the patents show a fingerprint scanner under the display, suggesting that this feature could also make its way to a Galaxy handset. While it's unclear whether the patent design will appear in the Galaxy S10, there's a good chance we'll see some sort of design overhaul in 2019. Another report in Korean publication The Bell says that Samsung has already finalized the S10's design and that it includes an embedded fingerprint sensor. Reportedly, Samsung is teaming up with Synaptics, Qualcomm, and Aegis Techs on the feature. Samsung will stick with the Qualcomm. In a move that could inform what happened in the Galaxy S10, Samsung in February announced that it had invested $5.6 billion in a new factory to build 7nm chipsets. Not only would that allow for a smaller chip, but it would also pave the way for the company to make a variety of design changes with the extra room it have inside the handset. According to a report from Phone Arena, Samsung will begin testing the chip later this year and get it ready for mass production in early 2019. Perfect timing for the Galaxy S10. We should also note that Samsung will work on the chip technology with Qualcomm, which the phone maker has done with the last few Snapdragon processors. The Snapdragon 855 then should be coming to the Galaxy S10, at least for US-bound versions of the phone. It's too soon to predict the exact release date for the Galaxy S10, but if history is any guide, Samsung will likely to stick a similar timetable in 2019 as other years. That means you should expect to see new handset announced at next year's Mobile World Congress show. If Samsung follows a similar pattern for the S10 as did for the S9, the new phone would hit shelves by mid-March 2019. So what do you guys think? Are you excited for the new Galaxy S10? Leave us your thought in the comment section below. Please give us a like if you enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe for more info and updates. Please check our other video as well in case you miss anything. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next update.